In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. Begin by opening Play Store to download free app called Files by Google Developer. This one. When it's ready, launch it and hit Continue in the pop-up. Now for it to work, you need to tap on gray switcher next to Allow Permission and then tap on those three lines at the top left corner. Now select Clean. Hit Clean under Junk Files and select Clear in the pop-up. As you can see, after a few seconds, storage of my Samsung was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!